What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. That's right, guys. Webull, first link down below, deposit money, get yourself some free stock, help that portfolio grow. Guys, today we're talking about Gnog, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, and we're talking about Michigan. There's a lot of updates on the Michigan website now, so I think it's really important we get in there and talk about it, and hopefully with all these changes, we'll start to see a little momentum going up for Gnog, man. We need some love on that, baby. Hope you all are ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's get to the video, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, here we are on the Michigan website, and this was pretty exciting. I get on here, we scroll down, and we look now. It's a little bit updated since we got the update in Michigan. FanDuel Casino, get up to $200. BetMGM, get $25. DraftKings, get $45. But look who's on the list, that's right. Golden Nugget Casino, up to $1,000 free. And if we go over here and look at the Golden Nugget review, free $10 on your sign up, 100% up to $1,000 on deposit. Use bonus code PLAYBONUS. Now, guys, that there seems pretty good. Now, it looks like DraftKings does $1,500 deposit match, and BetMGM's doing $1,000 as well. But I think that's pretty nice that they're giving you $1,000 up in the match, man. So that there is pretty exciting. There's a lot more news to cover here on Michigan, but it's nice to see that Gnog now is on the front page when you go on to Play Michigan. So that is, to me, is some great news. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else is on the Michigan website right now. All right, and the next piece here is the Golden Nugget Michigan is live with up to $1,260 bonus. This was posted January 22nd, last updated yesterday the 23rd by Derek. So here it says one of the most popular online casino brands in the country is now giving Michiganders a chance to land some golden returns on their wagers. The Golden Nugget Michigan now offers live casino and sportsbook play in the Great Lakes State. So here it has what you got to do. Use the links down below to download Golden Nugget Michigan Casino. If there's anyone out there that lives in Michigan that can do this for me and put up a couple videos, send them to me, man, please contact me. If you live in Michigan and you plan on downloading this, I'd love to get some gameplay with your consent to use on the channel. That would be fantastic, especially if the live dealer studio or slots, anything like that would be pretty cool. Here they have links for their Golden Nugget Sportsbook. There is a video here you can click on that someone on YouTube did like a 30-minute review on the Golden Nugget app. So that is pretty sweet as well. Here it's telling you how do you download the app, how you claim the money, and the rules of the fine print. As you know, of gambling, please read the fine print. It'll tell you everything in there you need to know. All right, guys, and if you go up here to the scroll bars, you can see online casinos. It says Golden Nugget Casino. You click on that. It brings you to this right here, and this gives a lot of great information about everything with Michigan. And it has here, the Golden Nugget Casino has already established itself as a leader of Michigan online gaming by pack delivering excellent service, choice, and value for its users. So there it is, guys. A lot of great information down here. You can see the Golden Nugget Casino rating. The bonus is a 4.5 star. Game selection is a 4. The payouts is still a 5, which to me is amazing. And overall, it has 4.5 stars. What's great about the Golden Nugget Casino, a generous 2-part welcome offer. It also has rich and diverse portfolio of games, wide variety of banking options, mobile app and iOS, Android. So that there is fantastic. If you scroll down here, it gives you tons of information on everything here. You need to know there's a lot of great information on here about their loyalty program and things like that. Here's what I like too. If you go under sports betting, and you can scroll down here to Golden Nugget Sportsbook. And as this loads up here we go. Look at this. They have a risk-free bet up to $250. So here's a little bit of things I thought was pretty cool. The Golden Nugget is one of the more famous old school Las Vegas casinos around, having opened in 1946, but that doesn't mean it is resting on its laurels and remaining just brick and mortar brand. That's right, man. We invested in the online spot. So here it is. Golden Nugget is actually one of the top online casinos in New Jersey, and now it's offering its sports betting and casino games in Michigan. As well, Golden Nugget partnered with the Keweenaw Bay Indian community, which owns the Ibaja casinos in Boraja and Margate. So they teamed up with the Indian casinos, which is really nice. So let's get down here and take a look at why choose Golden Nugget Sportsbook. Up to $250 risk-free initial bet. To me, I like that. I wish I could get that. Mobile app combines Golden Nugget Sportsbook and casino. Bet on all Michigan pro and college teams. Golden Lines odds boost available daily. And if you look here, Golden Nugget online sportsbook rating. Support has a 4. Payouts have a 4. Bonus has a 4. And overall has a 4. Now, this here, I love it. Try the Golden Nugget Sportsbook with up to $250 risk-free bet. Now, that there to me is pretty amazing. As you can see down here, use the code PLAYBONUS. Here's their Michigan partner, the Keweenaw Bay Indian Community. I think that's awesome, though, that the big dogs are teaming up with little Indian casinos, helping them get around, man. I really do like that. I think that's a really great thing. And if we go here, there is more updates. As you scroll down here, you can see it's basically just summing up what we went over there, how everything went live Friday. I did see down here that one of the apps had an issue. Where was it at? Oh, yeah, high traffic caused BetMGM app to falter early, but it's fixed now. So I'm glad to hear that that was the only kind of hiccup they might have had on the launch day, and now everything is good to go. So haven't heard anything else good or bad about anything, but I'll be excited to keep bringing you guys the updates on what's going on with Michigan. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at my holdings that I have on the Fidelity and Robinhood of Gnog. All right, guys, and I wanted to bring this to you. This is a screenshot of my Fidelity portfolio, and I wanted to bring this in here so you guys can see this. So you look, I have the quantity of 135 shares. Now, it did close at $20.69 at the 4 o'clock time Friday. As you know, Fidelity does not update after hours, so I know that price is completely wrong. But as of that price of $20.69, 135 shares. Today's gain on Friday, I made $39. I was up 1.42%. My total gain loss is $955.84. That is a total gain loss percentage. The total gain loss was 52% on that investment, and the cost basis is $13.61 a share on the Fidelity account. So if this thing would even go back down to 18 and 19, whatever, I'm not worried about it because I'm in this so low that I'm just hanging on to it. I'm not going to be selling this at all. I still have that high $30 price range on this, even up above that in long term. So there's no reason for me to do anything with these Fidelity shares of 135 of them. These are just a hold for me right now. And let's go take a look at the Robinhood. All right, guys, and here we are on the Robinhood portfolio. As you can see, the Fidelity stops updating at 4 o'clock, but Robinhood keeps you updated as it closes. So it ended at $20. So those numbers on the Fidelity will be adjusted. But who knows? We can open up Monday green and we'll be up close to that. So right now, at $20 a share, as you guys see, I have 110 shares at an average cost of $13.14. And right now, the market value is $2,200. And right now, of the portfolio, this makes up about 30% of my Robinhood portfolio. I've been recently adding some money, buying in some other plays, trying to get to that $10,000 Robinhood portfolio, guys. And I'm working on it. I'm really working on it. So, if we look at today's return, I was down 1.96%, down $44. Total return, though, we are still up 52.2%, up $754. So, for me, guys, I'm fine with where it's at. I mean, of course, I would love to see this going up to $25, $30, so we all be basking in the glory. But as I said, for me, if you need to get shares, you better buy them now. This is one that if you don't have your shares down at low prices like where I'm at, guys, I've been buying this since July. So that's why my prices are down so low. If you follow my channel back, started end of July, I've been covering this, buying it down $13, $14, $15. I was even buying this back at $11 and $12, but just when I was starting out with a little bit of money, buying 5 shares at $11. Boy, I wish I could get those prices today. At $11, I'd be buying $1,000 at a time, not buying like $50, $60 at a time. So boy, has the times changed in the stock market. So that is what I wanted to bring you today. And the plans on the Fidelity, those are just to be sitting there holding. See how this thing works out over the next couple years. If we get up to $30, I may sell out a couple shares just to capture in some gains, but I plan on hanging on to at least 100 shares for the long term in my Fidelity account. That is where I do my OTC penny plays and I do my long-term investments that I just plan on building up the penny plays. When I get some money in those, I cash them out and I buy my blue chip stocks like Apple, Iron Mountain. I think Iron Mountain has a great future. Apple, we know, has a great future. And I think this golden nugget is going to be one 3, 5, 10 years down the road. We're going to be like, boy, do we remember back in 2020 and 2021 when this was a $20 stock, back when this was a $13 stock? I'm curious to see where this goes, so I plan on holding on to those shares long term on Fidelity. And the Robinhood ones, you guys, you know, I plan on doing those covered calls when we get close to $30, where I sell them for premium. So that is the plan. Hold them out. If you need to buy them, you don't have enough shares. I have a total of 245 shares right now. For me, that's a pretty large position for my portfolio sizes. So I'm just hanging on to them. So that is the plan. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you. And guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's